काली काली काली, कमाल कर दिया तुम। एक माँ ने अपने बेटे की जान बचाने के लिए एक रात में पूरे कलकत्ता पर भौकाल मचा दिया। यहाँ तक कि मैं भी फंस गया तेरे जाल। तुझसे मिलने के लिए मैंने बहुत इंतजार किया।
Kali, the destroyer of the devil, according to various Hindu mythologies, is the chief of the Mahavidyas, a group of 10 tantric goddesses. She is the most powerful form of Shakti. The reminiscent name of this web series illustrates the same, and the character reflects the equivalent nature here. The Z5 original hit the screen in 2018 and has 7.1 as a lifetime rating. The lesser known crime drama creates quite a stir among Indian viewers. The second season of the crime thriller streamed on the 29th of May 2020 amid lockdown. Both the seasons have 8 episodes, obtaining about 30 minutes runtime. The names of the episodes are various names of Goddess Kali and interpret the essence of the chapters. The tale is inherently a story of an underdog climbing up the ladder. It is also a story of a mother who can go any extent to save her son. Season 1 starts with an accident. A 20-something boy found half dead is none other than Kali's only son. Kali maintains fair distance from her husband, who gets arrested for murdering a small drug peddler wrongly. And Kali's past affair with Special Branch Officer Aniket suddenly pops out of nowhere again. Rattled Kali spends no less time and jumps into the middle to gather the requirement. From her husband, she gets to know the details about drug peddling and move ahead with the plan. All she got is a box full of drugs stolen from a drug kingpin Dilip. She just has one night to sell them to her various clients with needs. And she did not give up. All night she moves here and there into the subplots and sells those drugs. She doesn't stop, even the body counts rise. The twisted tale comes to its conclusion when the kingpin gets hold of her and the police join the party. A torn 500 note increases the suspense. Aniket tells Kali about the international drug consignment where the torn note is the key. The killing did not stop there, and Kali comes to know how her son's friend tried to kill him just to get into the gang. Despite all her attempts, they abduct Sunny, Kali's son. The story's cliffhanger ending directs towards the more risk and bigger stake. The police use Kali and the drug lord Dilip to get a hold on the international drug lord Jin Liang Akashona. Kali becomes the witness and saved herself and her son. A fresh start for Kali does not go too well. Jin Liang runs away from police custody and steers the equation again. Aniket's partner got heavily injured and Special Officer Manvi Gupta assigned to clear the mess. It's not that Jin Liang Akashona is the only one to have an eye on the consignment. An old enemy, Sopan, also comes back from the dead and eyeing the same. Jin Liang's assassin is following Kali everywhere, but Sopan provides her the required shelter. Aniket is becoming weak day after day at it's his bullet causing damage to his partner accidentally. Central Officer Manvi Gupta also comes to know about Kali, and everyone is after Kali for some of the other reasons. But Kali has only one thought in her mind: to save her son, and for that she can go to any painful length. Some more plot twists like Manvi Gupta playing from Jin Liang's side poise the plot. But how long she can stand against the blood-hungry international drug lord, an assassin on loose, corrupt police department putting their misdeeds on her, an old enemy does not look the same as he pretends. Too much on your plate, right? To know the answer, you need to watch the series on Z5. Season 1 was the setback to establish the character, and rightfully the female protagonist popularizes among the Indian viewers. The reason is quite uncomplicated. The character Kali does not look resourceful or powerful, but still when the time comes, she defeats the obstacles one after another, and it is joyful to watch her triumph over the evil by unlocking her inner Kali. The story is a one-night journey of a woman unlocking her fury on everyone who comes her way. It feels crisp and gets you hooked from the beginning. Sadly, I cannot tell the same for the second season. The confusing timeline frustrates the viewers, and even with full attention, one can lose the ways. But the Joint Police Commissioner, played by Shilajit, looks more confusing in the whole story. It's strange how a police commissioner did not even look after the evidential footage to locate the criminal, and how he does not know about the infamous Notorious. Everything sounds news to him. The countless flashbacks are just pulling the flow of the whole story and overlapping with the timeline, causing havoc disruption. Patal Lok famous Hathora Tyagi, played by another villain here, but looks very weak. He does not have the big role to play to showcase his weak side. He did try too hard though. It does start with the promises, but loses its grip in the middle, unnecessarily long conversations hitting the engagement bottom. The background score is notably good and upholds the drama. Chak the India captain Vidya Malvare does not strike a hit here, and the same is right for Abhishek Banerjee. It's hands down Paulidam carrying the drama on her capable shoulders. Her distance looking eyes to her voice tones in different situations creating the magic. The directions could be better in the second season. Kali has its heart in the right place but loses the opportunity due to run around various subplots. And in between, to close all the knots, the directors lost their voice. 5 things I like about the series is 1. Paulidam. She is marvelous in each frame. Number 2. The background score. It has a mesmerizing effect. Number 3. The hidden underbelly of the City of Joy. Number 4. Season 1. It's crisp and enjoyable. And number 5. The journey of a mother. It's a thrill ride offering thrill at first and plain later. The strings are still opened and we can hope for some betterment coming in later seasons. My rating is 2.5. Like, follow, subscribe if you like this review. This motivates me to bring out such content for you. Thanks.